Hello everyone. So today we are here with yet another video. We are going to talk about the hair wash. So today is the 8th day for this patient. His surgery was done 7 days back, about 5,500 grafts. And today is his 8th day and we'll be showing you how to do the hair wash in the correct manner. So as you can see, the implanted area. So we had asked the patient to apply oil at night and keep it overnight. And in the morning, we have asked him to apply Vaseline or any thick lotion and to keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Take any baby shampoo in a mug of water, dilute it and make a foam out of it. So now the foam of the baby shampoo is ready. This is how you will have to take the foam in your hand and gently keep it on the implanted hair. Cover the entire area with the foam. Once the entire implanted area is covered with the foam, keep it on for about 5 minutes. So now with the gauze piece or any clean cloth, you will have to clean the area in a circular motion or in the direction of the hair in this manner. So as you can see on the gauze, there is dead debris and the scabs which is coming out. This is very important. Why? So that there is no chance of any infection. Once the shampooing is done, spray the implanted area with the normal saline and make it clean. Now, as you can see, the implanted area is squeaky clean. You will have to repeat this every day for the next 15 days. Do the hair wash in the similar manner every day, very gently with a baby shampoo and in the direction of the hair. Make sure the scalp is clean and it's free from all the scabs. So right now we're cleaning the donor area. It is also very important to keep the donor area clean. So after the surgery, we must have advised you to clean it day and night with the betadine solution and apply the fusidic acid cream. But I have also seen that some patients coming in with the scabs because they do not clean the fusidic acid cream properly. So it is also very important to keep your donor area healthy and clean. So we'll be showing you how to do that. So in the circular motion, as you can see, we are cleaning the donor area. This patient, he has maintained the donor area well, so we cannot see much of scabs. But it is very important to keep your implanted as well as the donor area clean so that there is no chance of infection. So I hope this is very much clear how to wash your hair on the 8th day and how to continue it, how to keep the donor as well as the implanted area clean. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.